बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे अक्टूबर 15, 2023 के अखबार में। पहली जॉब है मार्केटिंग की। ए रिनाउंड एंड रेप्यूटेबल कस्टम क्लियरिंग कंपनी इज सीकिंग फॉर एन एनर्जेटिक एंड कॉन्फिडेंट बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर इन कराची. The applicant needs to be laser focused on targets and experienced in generating new leads. On job training will be provided. Minimum education bachelor, salary plus commission. Apply with subject inverted commas resume for BDO inverted commas close at danishfrc@gmail.com. Hiring alert. One of leading pharmaceutical company requires marketing coordinator. Salary 40,000 to 60,000. Education minimum graduate. Experience 2 to 3 years. Candidates may send their resume to hr@goforcnc.com or WhatsApp 0321 1260263 0321 1260263. मेडिकल की जॉब्स हैं. A 225 plus bedded well reputed hospital urgently requires deputy medical director. MBBS along with MBA 4 to 5 years relevant experience of working in any renowned hospital. Deputy manager administration. Bachelor's preferably MBA 4 to 5 years hospital administration experience of any renowned hospital. Deputy matron नर्सिंग ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल. BSc एंड अलॉन्ग विथ 4 to 5 years relevant experience of working in any renowned hospital. How to apply applications with a covering letter and detailed CV should be sent via email. salmans987651@gmail.com. Latest by October 19, 2023. Dentist required by a renowned dental practice experienced /fresh can apply. Send your CV /WhatsApp 0300 2000810 0300 2000810. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0333542084 0333542084 info@ismail.com.pk. डॉक्टर तौसीफ समीन्स का मेडिकल कोर्स फॉर USMLE हेड DHA MOH MCCEE AMC FCPS MRCP. मोबाइल नंबर है 032282711518 032282711518. रिक्वायर्ड फीमेल गायनिकोलॉजिस्ट एंड सोनोलॉजिस्ट फॉर अ हॉस्पिटल इन कोरंगी. ईमेल CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 02132239930 02132239930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 02132243889 02132243889. Urgently required for फिदाई कंसल्टेंट क्लिनिक FP एरिया कराची for morning and evening timings. Urologist. Child specialist male /female. Eye surgeon bracket doing phaco surgeries bracket close. Neurologist. Diabetologist. Gastroenterologist and graduate assistant admin for night bracket 8 PM to 8 AM 12 hours duty. Please send your CV to email fidaifoundation123@gmail.com. Contact number है 02136337054 02136337054 और 02136372491 02136372491. यूरोलॉजिस्ट जनरल सर्जन एंड गायनिकोलॉजिस्ट ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है नो ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स ब्रैकेट क्लोज एट OMI हॉस्पिटल कराची. MCPS/FCPS/FRCS/MRCOG/MS candidates with complete training can also apply. info@drimtiazahmad.com. WhatsApp नंबर है 03333611228 03333611228. We are hiring general physician bracket male/female bracket closed pharmacist male email incharge.medical@sailaniwelfare.com incharge.medical@sailaniwelfare.com मोबाइल नंबर है 0335 297 1652 0335 297 1652। मल्टीपल की जॉब्स है। लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज needs following staff for their rice mill at Port Qasim, Karachi. Number 1 engineer qualification BE bracket mechanical engineering bracket close experience minimum 5 years. Number 2 plant operator qualification diploma in mechanical engineer experience minimum 5 years. 3 admin officer qualification bachelor degree experience minimum 5 years in rice industry. Number 4 rice analyzer qualification bachelor degree experience minimum 5 years experience as rice analyzer. Applicants having rice mill experience will be preferred. Interested may apply at careers@westburygroup.com.pk westbury BURY GROUP.com.pk. Please mention the position apply for in subject line. Applications are invited for our Faisalabad, Lahore and Karachi office for the post of number 1 Chief Security Officer from retired army officers of major rank. Number 2 office superintendent from JCO/other ranks of clerical trade. Number 3 security guards from retired Naik/Sipoe. Number 4 hostel warden graduate 3 to 5 years experience. Number 5 cooks able to cook all type Pakistani dishes. Number 6 retired army drivers having HGV license. Interested candidates may submit their CVs and relevant documents to manager ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ HRMPL ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ एडमिन ब्लॉक K2 यूनिवर्सिटी रोड सरगोधा रोड फैसलाबाद। टेलीफोन नंबर है 041 53888319 04153888319 और ईमेल staff required staffreq12@gmail.com। Hydrocarbon transportation company requires maintenance supervisor and assistant operation manager fresh graduate and MS office skilled. Send CV HSSE@hggc.com.pk hssE@hggc.com.pk manager account/logistics having good experience in GCC countries job 32277@gmail.com। WhatsApp 03330131541 03330131541। Required multiple vacancies for healthcare staff, nurses, physicians, pharmacist, dentist, orderlies, social community workers and patient service associates bracket work permit assistant bracket close. Contact 0300 2801012 contact 0300 2801012 linkedin.com/in/providence-group, email providencegroup.org@gmail.com. A financial organization requires male/female for the post of financial advisor and potential unit head. Education must be intermediate to master's age 22 years plus. Retired people can also apply. CV Fahad Khan 099@gmail.com. Call/WhatsApp 0334387380 0334387380. A known technical institute at Korangi industrial area requires professional in the following departments. Number 1 finance manager should have sound knowledge of finance and accounts matters, can prepare financial statements, cost management, audit expertise, sound knowledge of handling tax returns and other government tax procedures, up to date with recent financial procedures. Qualification part qualified CA/ICMA, experience 10 years and above. Number 2 media expert, female marketing and media expert requires, Having expertise on designing and its technical parameters, command on social media handling tools. Qualification: graduate, preferably in media. Experience 2 to 4 years. Korangi Malid residents will be given preference. Contact us hassan.aphzal@gmail.com. WhatsApp 0320311716, 0320311716. A renowned trading company located in the site area is looking to hire an experienced IT administrator / supervisor and male / female officer, receptionist / front desk representative. Please send your CV to hr@causertrade.com, hr@causertrade.com. An organization situated at site requires: number 1, accountant should be graduate having 3 years experience. Number 2, storekeeper. Apply. Email ingfoods1@gmail.com, ingfoods1@gmail.com. Applications are invited from the female candidates for the following posts: secretary to MD / CEO, manager business development. Candidates should be qualified MBA/masters in IR. Good English speaking and writing skills. Age up to 25 years. Resident of Karachi only. Email. Wajah @hr123@gmail.com पर ईमेल कर सकते हैं. wajah@hr123@gmail.com. Receptionist / tele operator. A lady receptionist cum computer operator is required for a reputable law firm having office at Clifton. Monday to Saturday. Office timings 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Send your CV at sanu2016@gmail.com, sanu2016@gmail.com. सेल्स की जॉब है. लुकिंग फॉर अ डायनामिक सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव टू ज्वाइन अ रिनाउंड कस्टम मेंस आउटफिट कंपनी. पोजीशन सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव. क्वालिफिकेशंस फ्रेश MBA in marketing from a reputable university. If you are recent MBA graduate with a passion for sales and fashion, we want to hear from you. Send your resume and a brief cover letter highlighting your skills to sartoriaambassador@gmail.com. Join us in shaping the world of men's fashion and customer services. A sales coordinator indoor male graduate having good computer / social media marketing skills. Adobe Photoshop knowledge preferred. Clifton, Punjab, Chaurangi. Call / WhatsApp 0315-2007-975, 0315-2007-975. Manager / assistant manager for export sales and marketing required for a well-reputed textile mill. Must have adequate experience. Send CV at textile.export.2023@gmail.com, textile.export.2023@gmail.com. सेक्रेटेरियल की जॉब है. एग्जीक्यूटिव सेक्रेटरी ब्रैकेट में मेल / फीमेल ब्रैकेट क्लोज. The candidate must be graduate from recognized university with minimum 2 to 3 years experience of secretarial job. He / she should have pleasant personality with excellent interpersonal and communication skills. Good drafting and communication skills. Also sound knowledge of HR, handling HR related issues competently. Interested candidates may send their resume to hr@sibl.com.pk, hr@sibl.com.pk. जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफिज़.